If you want to delete your Chime account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is closed properly. Make sure to consider any pending transactions or balances before proceeding. Step 1. Access your Chime account. Log into your Chime account using the mobile app or website. Ensure you have access to your account credentials. Step 2. Withdraw remaining funds. Before deleting your account, transfer any remaining balance to your linked bank account. This ensures you do not lose any funds. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Chime's customer support through the app or website. You can find the contact information in the help section. Step 4. Request account deletion. Inform the customer support representative that you want to delete your account permanently. They may ask for verification to confirm your identity. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer support to confirm the deletion of your account. Ensure you receive a confirmation that your account has been closed. Once you have completed these steps, your Chime account will be permanently deleted. If you have any further questions, you can always reach out to customer support for assistance.